Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now guys, today I have a really special unboxing. I'm gonna be unboxing this. Guys, this is the new MacBook Pro 2020. And let's read the specifications before we can get into the unboxing. This is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This is the latest 2020 edition. Guys, this is loaded with 16 GB of RAM, and you get 512 GB of the SSD card that you have. And this is the i7, which has the AMD Pro 5300M. Which is a 4 GB memory, the graphics card that you get in this package. Apple did take a really long time to bring this out. They were supposed to bring out the 14-inch laptop, and yeah, we're gonna be unboxing this today. This is gonna be a really amazing unboxing, and yeah, let's get into this. Guys, this package is really heavy, so let's be a little careful while we open this. Guys, here we have it. This is the new MacBook Pro 2020. So guys, change of location. I'm gonna be unboxing this here in this room right now. So yeah, let's just find a perfect angle and let's get back into the unboxing. Guys, by the way, the background credits goes to Manha, and these are all her paintings that she has. Okay, so guys, as I said, this box is pretty heavy. And yeah, let's finally open this right now. So yeah, let's keep this aside. Guys, this is the real deal. This is why you guys are watching this video. So yeah, let's open this up. So we slowly pull this out. Guys, this itself is so heavy right now. And yeah, let's keep this here. Now what you get in the box is a user manual. This should have everything that we need to know about this product. So we have the stickers, we have the user manual for this, and we also have all the warranty and the terms and conditions. This is grey, mostly steel grey, I guess. So let's keep this aside. You get this extra long cable with this, which is a C-type cable, and you also get a power adapter, which is this. And yeah, that's pretty much it in this entire box. And now this is what we're really here for. Here we go. Let's just open this plastic up. Yeah. Let's remove this. There we go. Let's keep this aside. And yeah, as you guys can see here, you get two C-type ports at the left, and yeah, you get another two C-type ports on the right, and you can charge it from here. You can just attach the power cable and stuff. So as you guys can see, it's here with the magnets. So as soon as you open this up, this is the first view that you get. Yeah, you guys can see that it's powered on already. Yeah, this is the most satisfying thing that you can do. I'm just going to take this cover off. You guys, the touchpad is really responsive. It is a really huge touchpad if you look at it. If you guys look at the keyboard clearly, you have two speakers on the left, one on the left and one on the right. The magnets at the bottom to hold it in place when you close it. So that's one amazing thing. And if you guys look at the screen, it is a 16-inch screen, so that's as big as you can get at this price point. The screen is really thin. Even though it is 16 inches, it is a really thin screen. Guys, talking about the battery life, it has about 11 hours of battery life. Now based on the reviews and the things that people wanted the 14-inch MacBook Pro, but instead we got the 16-inch MacBook Pro, and I don't think we're going to be getting the 14-inch MacBook Pro anytime soon. The 16-inch one is really good, it is really great, so you guys should definitely go for that. Now another thing that's been added in this laptop is the touch bar and the touch ID. And looking at the previous models, the escape button was a part of the entire touch bar. Now this consists of the escape button, which is a separate escape button, as well as the touch ID, which is a separate one, which is not a part of the entire strip of the touch pad which is there on the top. So guys, this is the 15-inch MacBook Pro, and as you guys can see, it doesn't have a separate escape or the touch ID. It is just one entire bar that is there. Now guys, the power adapter that we get with this package is quite similar to the one that we had in the previous generation, which is the 15-inch MacBook Pro. It has a packaging on the top, so let's take that out. So guys, this has a C-type connector at the back, which directly connects to your MacBook Pro, and that's how you basically charge it. And this is a 2-meter long cable that you get. This is a lightning cable, as Mac always provides. So let's open this up. With a C-type port at the front, as well as the other side, which is also a C-type port. So one connects into the Apple adapter that you get, and the other one goes inside your MacBook Pro. Now talking about the keyboard that we have, it is a backlit keyboard. Looking at the previous generation, which was the 15-inch MacBook Pro, it had the butterfly mechanism, and a lot of people did complain about the way that it sounded, about how loud it was. And because of that, Apple has taken into consideration their requirements and their suggestions, and has tried to remove that, and we have the old method back. Which now, yeah, I'm just going to show you how quiet it is when you type. Now guys, talking about the prices, here at this moment, while the video was being filmed, it is 2 lakh rupees, and it is available on Amazon. So if you guys want to check this out, I leave the link of this product in the description. You guys can go check it out. And guys, now if I talk about this specific model, it has a 2.6 gigahertz 6-core Intel i7, and it has a memory of 16 GB RAM, which is a DDR4 RAM. The memory, this specific one has about 500 GB of memory, which can be upgraded to almost 8 terabytes. So that's a huge upgrade, but that will most probably cost you a lot. So guys, we're going to be doing a quick audio check right now. So I'm going to be opening YouTube here. This laptop has 2 dedicated speakers, one on the left and one on the right. So we're going to be playing some music to check how the audio is. Okay, so let's search NCS. I don't want my video to get flagged right away. Now that we're playing YouTube, you have the volume button on the touchpad, so I can increase. That is really loud, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now, but both the speakers are amazing and they just sound really good. Yeah, there are all the other options. Okay, let me just reduce the volume so that you guys can hear me. Now there are a lot of other options. You can mute it right away, or maybe you can change the playback. So you even have pause here, maybe play. Now what Apple has tried doing is, you don't necessarily need a touchscreen, so for that they've created a touchpad which works the exact same way. So the speakers are really good. As I said, if you come back to your Safari, you have the exact same controls here. You can maybe go to Google. Now if you want to type something, you can even type it here. Now if you have anything to type, saying you can use your keypad as it is, or else you can even this basically acts like your smartphone. You even have emojis that you can use. There we go. That's how it is. This is amazing. You have your hearts. So if you are sending a message, let me ask Siri to open this up. Hey Siri. Okay, I don't think it recognizes my voice because the voice controls are not set up, but I'm just going to touch this button and Siri is going to open up. Siri, can you open Notes? I'm gonna assume that there is an option notes. Yeah, there we go. Show you the graphics in this. So let me open Safari again. Let me just play a video. So guys, I found a 4K video online. So let me just play it for you and show you how amazing the quality is. Now it has the same options that we've seen before. Pause, play, forward, rewind. This basically acts as the entire time period of the entire video that we have. So you can jump from any point of time to another. And yeah, let's just set the brightness to the highest. Volume to the highest. Yeah, there we go. This looks really amazing. Now guys, there is one app that I personally would love to use. Now as a music producer, Now guys, as a music producer myself, I've been using FL Studio. So there is a particular app that I am a huge fan of. So let's open that and see how it is, which is the GarageBand. You guys would know about it. If you guys are music producers or you guys work closely with music, you would know. Let's see how those instruments sound in this. Yeah, let me just try the drum kit here. So yeah, this acts as a mixer. You have a lot of things here. A lot of things that you can change. Instead of typing in directly there, you can even use this touchpad. You know what, I'm getting into a lot of music theory and stuff. Let's get out of this. We are reviewing the MacBook Pro, not the GarageBand. So let's get out of this. Guys, that was my review and unboxing of the MacBook Pro 16 2020, and yeah, I really hope that you guys like it. As always, I will have the links of the products in the descriptions that I use in my videos, and yeah, if you guys want to buy it, link is always in the description. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.